That's awesome.
Drive it like it's stolen.
What are you doing, buddy?
Fucking, it's challenging though, eh? You learned how to feather that.
What kind of trucks are these? The models?
CR01.
CR01 Tamiya's?
Yeah.
It's too bad the video doesn't really show how steep this hill is.
Whoa.
Don't worry about bringing her in.
No, I was trying to jump it off the cliff.
Here, I'll get it.
I was. Did you see Rob yesterday? I was jumping the summit off the top of the hill over there, and I was landing halfway down the hill. Oh, I got mail. Ooh, I got mail. Look at the mail's here.
It's pretty crazy how realistic it is too. Like when you're actually driving.
Oh yeah.